Dear self, I commend you. You are finally ready to get your life together. I guess after so long seeing other people succeed and knowing that you have the potential to do the same, you are finally ready to acknowledge your talents and get your life together. Rise and shine. The hardest thing you could do when life is not going your way is to get up and get out of bed. Not only get out of bed, but make it completely. I mean, once you make the bed and you see it there nicely put together, I guarantee you're not going to want to get back in bed. Not only that, but that alone should motivate you to start your day and at least try to conquer the next obstacle your day might have in store for you. Another pick-me-up that is great for the first thing in the morning is to have a hot beverage. Whether that be a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, it is great to jumpstart the mind and followed by that, jump right into writing. What I like to do is plan out my day and what I'd like to conquer, and since this video is about a reset, then typically it is essential for you to clean up your environment so that you can make way for new events, new ideas, or even new things coming. I have no clue why, but washing dishes is so relaxing to me. Not that we should let dishes pile up just so we can enjoy the task of doing it, but what I mean is doing an enjoyable task right after doing a hard one makes going with the flow of the general objective, more rewarding. So if the overall goal is to clean until there's nothing left to clean, you can break up the items that you prefer to clean in between the harder tasks and make it more manageable so you get the job done. After taking the time to plan and execute every single task and make sure that it's done precisely, there is no better feeling than to know that you've done it to the very end. Now, with all of that being said and done, that brings us to another very important part of the reset: self-care. This is the time you take to acknowledge what you yourself need, whether that be a hot spa bath or simply aligning your vitamins or your routines for the upcoming week. Vitamins and supplements are very important for the physical well-being of your body, which essentially runs over to your mental capabilities as well as any other thing that helps you to run and function properly.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my. Just focus on my love.
Now, with all of that being said and done, you are ready. Take your sense of achievement, your feeling of accomplishment, followed by self-care and nurturing your mind, body, and soul, and you use that to give yourself a fresh start. You take your plan that you wrote for yourself and you follow it day by day. Yes, some days might be harder than the next, but what counts is that every day you keep moving forward. Big steps, little steps, they all count because they keep you moving in the direction that your goals are. And with that being said, that's the end of it. I hope you enjoyed the video.